Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can change the font for your texts in your Google Sheets documents really quickly. So let us get started. Head over to your spreadsheet on Google Sheets. So I'm on that example annual budget document here. So simply select the cell of the text you would like to change the font for. Let me go with that one here. And all you will need to do, guys, is simply click on the font name here or on that arrow down icon to be more precise here, and select the font from that drop down menu to apply it. So let me go, for example, with that one here. And as you can see, the font has been instantaneously changed and applied. You may also click on that arrow down icon and gain access to more fonts here. And for example, use a different letters, fonts, and so on and so forth. And select these from that list here, apply them by clicking OK to add them to a list of applicable and supported fonts here, and simply select the one you would like to use. So that's how I do it, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll catch you later.